Hi, I'm Jeanette Caines. I'm the author of Soldering Demystified from Jewelry Arts Inc. in New York City, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks that are going to help you in your soldering. One of the many obsessions in my life is minimizing cleanup. A lot of times what that means for me is using little solder balls instead of the solder squares. The squares tend to leave a bigger scar and they leave me with more cleanup, which I really don't like, and I don't think anybody makes jewelry because they just love all the filing and sanding involved. So I have my piece set up here. I have a wire on a sterling backsheet. I've got 3 small balls of solder to my left, and I've got 3 pieces of little square sheets on the right. I'm going to heat it from underneath as I normally would. I'm not going to circle the whole piece and get it hot. I'm going to just concentrate in one spot, get it hot, and then work my way to the right. When you solder, you want to use a nice strong flame. Going to get things good and hot. Got my tweezers here in case anything moves out of the way, because sometimes it does. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so now my entire seam is filled up. But I want you to take a look and look at the left side and look at the right side. Now, which of those sides would you like to clean up on your piece?